My sleep before working with Sleep Science Academy was not very good. Um, I felt like I may have got 5 hours of sleep a night, maybe total. And it was more of I could fall asleep, sleep for a couple of hours, and then I was up for several hours at a time, 2 to 3 hours at a time. Eventually would fall back asleep. But it was not good. I did not feel rested most days. Yeah, so that's it. Um, what did I try before joining you guys? I felt like I tried just about everything. Um, I did all of the supplements. I did magnesium. I did, the baths before bed. I did melatonin. I did some other sleep supplements, like, just over the counter stuff. What else did I try? I feel like I tried everything but hormone replacement, which was actually the last thing that my doctor had recommended. I had tried at one point, I was taking a benzo occasionally to help sleep, just, as needed. Um, really just, I mean, like everything that I could think of, I tried, except for, like I said, hormone replacement, which was the last step. My doctor was recommending that. And I said, I don't really want to go there. Well, now, in hindsight, looking at this program, I think the other things didn't work for me because of, I really believe it was like more of a frame of mind for me going into this program. I really changed how I thought about sleep. So I kind of let go of all that anxiety that I had surrounding sleep before. My sleep now is awesome. I do my sleep now using, if the Aura ring is correct, I am averaging, somewhere between an 88 and a 91 on a scale of sleep. I'm getting solid sleep. And I mean, it's just so much better. I feel rested. I wake up feeling rested. So it's been great. Well, this is let's see. Sleep definitely has improved my life for sure. But I think it's almost like a double-edged, no, it's not a double-edged sword because it's a positive thing. Not only is my sleep better, but I think going through this program, like I said, the whole mind shift, like, my mindset was, oh my God, I can't sleep. Oh my God, I can't sleep. And I've learned that I can sleep. And I've kind of learned how to deal with that anxiety surrounding sleep. And then also that whole piece of dealing with the anxiety has sort of bled over into my life as well. So my life is better because I'm sleeping, but I've picked up tips and tricks on how to deal with other things that perhaps, were annoying or, aggravating in my life. So that's made that piece better. So it's two things, I would say. My experience working with Sleep Science Academy has been really good. I will say that these weekly check-ins with you and sessions with you have made a huge difference. And it's just been, and I don't know if it's, I feel like sometimes, you don't always click with a person too, so that helps. But I feel like you understand what's going on and have experienced some of the things that I experience. We have things in common as far as hobbies and things like that. So it's a more of a comfort level with you. I would say, and I will be quite frank, I only attended one of the weekly sessions because it turns out I have another commitment on Wednesday evening, so I couldn't get there. And so the first one I did attend was not great. Um, I guess I don't want to say that it did not meet my expectations. Like I was expecting to have a little bit more of affirmation of like, okay, what you're doing is good, and it was more of the session I attended was more of a sort of mind dump for some people, just experience dump. So, and I, again, that's not a fair assessment because I only attended one. I should have tried to make it to another one, but I felt like the progress I was having with you one on one was so good that I didn't really feel like I needed additional support moving through the program. I think this program is designed for anyone who's having issues with sleep and can't seem to hone in on what the issue is. I mean, there are some people that have, sleep apnea and those kind of things, and that's a whole different kettle of fish, I think. But it's really kind of just opening your eyes to, well, what is it that I need to do to sleep better? And I think anybody could benefit from this if you're having those kind of, I don't want to say anxiety driven sleep issues, but if it's not a physiological problem, I think anyone would benefit through this program
Hmm.
or just in general.
Yeah.
Okay, I would tell them to just first of all be patient. Starting this program, and especially if you've had years of sleep issues, at this point you want a quick fix, right? You want to just get back to sleeping. And I would say be patient because, the first, it really is changing how you think about sleep. And that's not going to happen overnight. So it's kind of just take baby steps one day at a time, and you will start to see success. And you also will start to see, changes in just not even sleep, but outside of sleep with your life, I think, because you start to recognize maybe habits or things that you didn't know you had that are affecting other things. I mean, in addition to being tired and cranky, but that you have that maybe you could work on through this program. And I do think that another important thing is to recognize that you do have setbacks. I mean, as you know, you and I had talked, I had that week where I was traveling and I didn't feel well and I wasn't sleeping. And for a moment, I did have a sense of, oh my goodness, this isn't working. So I had to refocus and go back and say, okay, no, you know how to sleep. Let's just get past this. So I would say be patient and take it just one step at a time and make sure you have a great person. And I don't know if this is possible, but like if you're not clicking with your, I don't know what do you call
Coach.
yourself?
Coach.
Coach. I was going to say therapist.
Yeah, no, coach.
If you're not clicking with your therapist from the get go, then I would say try to find somebody that you do match with because that made such a huge difference to me. I felt like that connection that we had really helped me to kind of move through this process pretty smoothly.